know I've been busting, no discussion for my family. No hesitation through my scope, I see my enemy. Like, what's up? Hold up, we finna reload up. Yes, I reload up, I know what up.
Alright, so here I have the Cyclin Boys 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and I've been having it for about a day or two now, and I reviewed it enough, or I've messed with it enough to know enough about it and what's true on the internet, what people say. So I was gonna do an unboxing on this, but my mom had opened it, so sorry about that. But what I can say though is straight out of the box, it was really, really smooth. I'm not gonna even lie. I remember with my first Rubik's Cube I've ever had, I had to keep going like this until like it got super loose. And so what else I have to say about this is that I like how it has no stickers or no like bumps. It's just all smooth. No, it's just they just like pretty much, I guess they painted it. I'm not really sure. But I love the colors. The orange and red kind of look alike, but I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the orange is a little bit lighter than the red. But I do sometimes get them confused if like I'm in a dark area. But other than that, one thing I would really want them to like improve on this cube is the turning, because when I turn it, it's like, that's what it feels like sometimes. I mean, you can hear it too. It's like, there's some Rubik's Cubes that you can go like this, and you won't hear it, or it won't even like stutter. It'll just smoothly go like that. But oh shit. It's pretty good though for a beginner speed cube. It's pretty good. The back turn on this, from what I've heard on YouTube, is 46 degrees. Let's see. That's what helps. This is what helps me when I'm turning. What you see me do, like. That's pretty much what the 45-degree thing is all about. It just helps you turn faster. I'm gonna see if I can take off the piece so you can see what the inside looks. Okay, there we go. Let me get the metal piece off too. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like in the inside, if you can see. This gets all loose and shit. But this is the metal piece, just blue and white, not 3 colors. Is it gonna focus? But yeah, this is what the middle piece looks like. This is what this is what a edge piece looks like. 3 colors. It's the reason why it's shaped like this is so it has more smoothness to it. Smooth, so it moves smoothly, and also so it doesn't bump into the other sides. But it still does either way. Where's my... Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There we go. Okay, yep. But it's a pretty good Rubik's Cube, I gotta say. I've already solved it a couple times, but since my last Rubik's Cube, I forgot how to solve the last layer, but I can solve the 2 layers right here. This layer and this layer, but I cannot solve the bottom layer. Or in this case, the yellow part. But I'm gonna scramble it, and I'm just gonna solve the first and second layer. If you want a video on me solving the whole Rubik's Cube, I'll do a video. And if you want a video on me, like, I guess, showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, I can do that too. Just, mixing that up, That's a good way to mix it. So let's get started. Okay. Doop. Oh shit. Blue. The other piece. Right here. Flip that around. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Here we go. Let's see. Blue, orange. Right here. This is green, red. There we go. Alright. Okay, I guess I'll just... that sucks. Oh yeah, see, so I can only solve the first 2 layers right now. I don't remember the algorithm to this freaking, oh my god, like, I think it's R prime U R U. Oh, so okay, I think I remember this. Okay, I can't remember it. But I did know how to do the line one. I'm still trying to remember. I think this one. No, I can't remember it. But if you would like me to do a video on how to solve the whole Rubik's Cube, or just me solving the Rubik's Cube, I'll do that. I'll actually learn the whole thing by then, probably. But until next time, see you guys in the next video.